Hey S Squad, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I created this Pinterest inspired hairstyle that's great for the summer and quick and easy. So stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is make sure your toddler's hair is nice and clean. Then you want to get your desired hair products. I'm going to use the JanTube Define and Shine Custard to create the style. But first I'm going to go in with my As I Am leave-in conditioner just to make sure her hair is nice and conditioned as I'm going to detangle and start the parting of her hair. This hairstyle is very simple, but it can be a little frustrating on your toddler because it's not quick. It's quick, but it's not quick to them. It's quick to us. So I'm going to put all of that As I Am leave-in conditioner all over her head. You guys know Shy is very fussy to get her hair done. So then you're going to go do a part sideways, so a diagonal part down the front of the head. Then you're going to go in part straight down the back, kind of like you're making two ponytails. So sideways down the front and then straight back. You want to make this as even as possible in the back, but if you can't, it's fine because no one's going to worry about the back. All of the design is in the front of the hair. So the first thing, I'm going to make sure my part is straight like this. It gives you a kind of general idea. I didn't have my perfect comb this time, I don't know why, but I'm going to go in with the JanTube Define and Shine Custard. Excuse me, I kind of knocked her in the head, but she was okay. And I'm going to use just a little bit. You don't want to put too much, and you're going to put this all around the hair. So this part you're going to put just in a ponytail. So you're going to make sure that it's nice and sleek. Make sure there's no lumps in the hair, no hair knots or anything, because you want it to be nice and sleek for this design. Because Shy is typically fussy, I like to get majority of her knots out with a soft bristle brush. After I've got majority, I like to go in and get my infamous dimming brush and get the rest of the knots out, and also it helps to define the curls. Then I'm going to go and grab 2 elastic rubber bands. I like to double up just because some of them can pop, you never know, and whenever you're creating a style like this that can potentially last more than one day, you want to make sure that the elastics are nice and sturdy.
She Peppa too.
So after I combed out her hair, I'm going to go again with the JanTube Define and Shine Custard. I'm going to apply this to her hair. Then I'm going to start my parting. This is going to help to sleek down that hair and get it prepped for the desired style. Okay, so here's the fun part. So the first part I'm going to do, make it really small and at the front of her head. So you're just going to take it one end and just make a diagonal part. Make sure it is as straight as possible. It's great to use a rat tail comb whenever you're parting, but I don't know why I didn't have mine. So watch me struggle, but do not do what I do as far as having this big blue comb. So yeah, like I said, you're going to part diagonal, and then you're going to secure it with your colored elastic rubber bands. You can get these from your local beauty supply store, H-E-B, Kroger's, I believe I've seen them also, or Amazon. It's wherever you can locate them. I also like to double up on the colored elastic bands. I think that they're a lot weaker than the traditional rubber bands. So yeah, as you see, I'm doubling up on these blue rubber bands, and I'm going to go and secure this ponytail. Make sure you're not doing it too tight. I like to leave just a little room from Shy's hair to where I put the rubber band. My mom would be like, her hair's too tight. She always says that. So I've tried to make sure that the rubber bands are tight, but just not too tight. So that hair that's left out after the rubber band was placed, you want to make sure that it's nice and smooth. You're going to be twisting this hair to join it to the next section. So you're also going to part another diagonal part. You want to make sure that it's not too tiny, that it's about the same amount of hair per section. You guys can see that diagonal part there. So as you can see here, I'm twisting the hair. This just is really pretty that the hair just not connected. You can create a design that way. You can also braid it if you choose. So as you can see here, I'm grabbing 2 more elastic rubber bands. You don't have to do it in the same colorways that I am. It's whatever color you choose. I was trying to match her outfit, and they're the elastic colors. So it's however you want to do it. You want to do pink, green, blue, purple, it doesn't matter. So it's very repetitive. You're going to go ahead and make another diagonal part. I like to keep either a water bottle or some detangling spray just in case the hair gets a little dry. Okay, so you guys can see right there that my initial partner wasn't perfect. But like I said, get a rat tail comb and make your parts. But then once again, I'm going to twist the hair, and that's going to help me to create a nice and tight conjunction whenever I'm going to put on the rubber band. Okay, so the third color that I'm going to use is purple. Like I said before, I am doubling up the colored elastics. They are weaker than your traditional elastics. Okay, so this is my last section. You can see I made a diagonal part, but I didn't go all the way down to her earlobe.
Hola, things.
What you got?
Mummy Pig put some pictures.
Daddy Pig put up and Grandpa Pig made us a lovely
Okay, so the next part is very important because you've joined so much hair. The color rubber bands would pop. So I'm going to take that last section and put it in a ponytail by itself with 2 black traditional rubber bands. Then I'm going to put 1 or 2, I don't remember, 2 pink elastic rubber bands just on top of that. Remember to not make it so tight. So I joined the rest of the hair with the pink rubber bands. Make sure you guys are following us on social media, Xoshardea, and giving this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below on new styles you want us to try.
Get new voices.
You are my best friend, Susie.
Susie.
I love you a lot, Susie.
Susie. Very much. Susie. Very much.
What a good idea.
So you could have left the hairstyle as is and left it down, like you didn't have to do the ponytails, but I like the ponytails because they last longer in my opinion. So you guys know I'm going to style the ponytails with the Shirley Temple curls or the finger coils, whatever you call them. So I'm going to do that on both sides. So the edge control I'm going to use right now, it's not even edge control, it's just the Gorilla Snot Glue, whatever it is. I hate it actually because it flakes up a lot. So to lay down the baby hair, next time I'm going to use my Faithful Olive Oil Edge Control. So in this part, you're just going to do your edge control. And this is the look, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and just grab some colored bows and just put those on top. And that will complete the look. Super easy, cute. I told you guys, very cute for the summertime. I hope you guys like this hairstyle and would try it. It's hard sometimes trying to find some ideas, but I love this hairstyle and I'm definitely going to try it again.
See, Shasha?
In Grandpa's garden.
All digging must stop. And
What you got? You taking your polish off?
investigate. Why? There may be other rare objects.
Look outside. What's outside?
Daddy, we're back.
I want to show you guys the back of her hair. I told you guys that it wasn't super perfect as far as being even on both sides, but that's just being a realistic mom. You're not going to always have perfect hairstyles, but you're going to do your best and it's going to come out pretty anyways. So make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below. We appreciate all the love.